The last thing I want to show you is a combination of all those techniques into one image, and just to show how fast we can adjust it. The problems in this image are again cyan and 2 biscuits. We do not want them. Magenta yellow look pretty good. Black, I have here some problems into the glass, so I want to remove it. And here I have a very light milk, which can cause problems into flexoprinting due to the high dot gain we have here into these light zones. So the first thing I do is no cyan by using the channel remover. Press no cyan. So no cyan. Second, I made a copy of my layer and call it no black for the glass. And so I have no black at all. Then just applying my selections, no cyan for the biscuits, no black for the glass. Then I make a copy of this one for my milk by using the channel changer. I just want my milk. I already decided that to take the warm gray one for the milk. There will be another Pantone color created just for milk, so I load my selection for milk. I erase all the things that I do not need. And then I apply here a mask. Selection is gone. So when I then put my bump up simulation curve, I see there is no cyan into the biscuits, into the milk too. Magenta looks like that, yellow, and my black is also removed from the glass. So perhaps I could add some minimum dots here to compensate, or just to remove here some black to have a more cleaner image, but it's not necessary to do that. Also, maybe here's some problems, but if you look at the overall image in all colors, I do not see here any flexo problems anymore. So as you see in a few clicks, it's a very fast way to adjust an image by using the plugin. That was a big advantage for us if the plugin, or when the plugin came to Photoshop. We gained speed and results that were along all operators the same, and we had very fast results.